Albert Einstein famously said, "We cannot solve our problems with the same level of thinking that created them." This profound insight underscores the need for a shift in consciousness to address the challenges we face personally and collectively. To regenerate our planet and build sustainable systems, we must elevate our consciousness. But how do we achieve this shift? How do we become the change necessary to impact our visions and actions positively? And how do we measure our progress on this transformative path? Understanding victimhood. Victimhood is a state of mind where individuals feel powerless and blame external circumstances for their difficulties. This mindset perpetuates a cycle of disempowerment, where change seems impossible and responsibility for one's life is abdicated. Recognizing and acknowledging this state is the first step toward empowerment. Transitioning from victimhood to true empowerment is a profound and transformative journey. By accessing the Akashic records, we can uncover the deeper patterns and lessons of our souls, providing a pathway to profound personal growth and empowerment. This journey requires self awareness, a shift in consciousness, healing past wounds, and building resilience. By connecting with your higher self and seeking guidance from the Akashic records, you can gain clarity and direction. Measuring your progress through increased self efficacy, emotional regulation, improved relationships, clarity of purpose, and inner peace will help you stay on track. Embrace this journey, knowing that true empowerment is within your reach, and it begins with a conscious choice to shift your perspective and take responsibility for your life. The four stages of spiritual evolution, transitioning from victimhood to true empowerment. In the journey of spiritual growth, there are four distinct stages that we traverse, each offering profound insights and opportunities for personal transformation. These stages, as articulated by Beckwith, provide a roadmap for transitioning from victimhood to true empowerment, guided by the wisdom of the Akashic records. Stage 1, to me. The initial phase of profound transformation is often characterized by a sense of victimhood, where life feels like it's happening to us. In this stage, we perceive ourselves as at the mercy of external circumstances, much like a child navigating the world. We may feel powerless and blame external factors for our challenges, viewing ourselves as passive recipients of life's events. Stage 2, by me. As we progress on our journey, we reach a point where we realize that blaming others for our circumstances only disempowers us further. In the by me stage, we take responsibility for our lives and become active participants in creating our reality. We understand that we are not victims but creators of our experiences, capable of shaping our destiny through our actions and choices. Stage 3, through me. In the third stage of our evolution, we transcend the egoic need for control and surrender to a higher power working through us. We move from a sense of personal significance to humility, recognizing ourselves as instruments of a greater intelligence. In the through me stage, we experience a flow state where our actions are guided by a deeper wisdom beyond our individual efforts. Stage 4, as me. The final stage of spiritual evolution is marked by a profound realization of oneness with the universe. In the as me stage, we recognize ourselves as expressions of the divine, intimately connected to the creative energy of the cosmos. We transcend the illusion of separation and experience unity consciousness, where everything is perceived as an extension of our own being. Embracing the journey with the Akashic records. The wisdom of the Akashic records serves as a guiding light on our journey of transformation. By accessing these records, we gain insights into our soul's journey and the lessons we are meant to learn at each stage of our evolution. The Akashic records reveal the deeper patterns and karmic imprints that shape our experiences, empowering us to transcend victimhood and step into our true power. As we navigate through each stage, We must be willing to let go of old patterns, beliefs, and attachments that no longer serve our highest good. Through self awareness, acceptance, and a willingness to surrender to the flow of life, we can transcend limitation and align with our highest potential. In conclusion, the journey from victimhood to true empowerment is a sacred pilgrimage of self discovery and awakening. Guided by the wisdom of the Akashic records, we can navigate through the stages of spiritual evolution and embody our divine essence. As we embrace the truth of our interconnectedness with all of creation, we realize that empowerment is not about controlling external circumstances but aligning with the eternal flow of life itself.